Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan and I am the founder of Resume Advisor and the Career Playbook. I met Brian online when I was doing some research about the Kajabi platform and how to use it, as I was really feeling stuck, not knowing where to start when I wanted to create my digital course. And I have to say that after watching and implementing the lessons that Brian teaches, I really can't imagine any other way I would have possibly done it. If I tried to figure things out on my own and, do the whole A to Z of building the Kajabi course by myself, doing research online, looking for tutorials piece by piece, it probably would have taken me 20 to 30 hours. And this is coming from someone who somewhat has a technical background. After taking his course, the whole process probably took me about 5 to 10 hours. So Brian is an extremely valuable resource to have. His course is, again, it's really a no-brainer. The ROI, just in terms of time, is astronomically high. And he really goes step by step in terms of each level of the process, and he goes very in-depth and details every part of it. His voice is easy to follow along. The audio is great. He shares his screen so that you can just follow along each step of the way, pause, try it yourself, go back, rewind, replay. The way that his course is just laid out is phenomenal. And Brian, I thank you. I'm so grateful that I found you. I really don't know what I would have done otherwise. So again, if you're considering this course, it's a no-brainer.